Ye beba yes ya to force. Se man for mu Gyimie Nkor adwuma. Man for mu kwasias. Mu Gyimie no so man dan cross strike na mo kona. Aban mo pe na aba no. Man for mu Gyimie ni mo ashawo nurse for jantrafo. Ankotena adwuma mu a. Mu ba ashawo tutufo. Mo Gyimie Nkor adwuma. Mo strike wo dey. Na mo so ma jara 1 month. Man for mu janta mo nurse fue 80% ashawo na mo to wo. Famo Gyimie Nkor adwuma pasi aban mo pa aba mo famo Gyimie Nkor ya adwuma de NDC betimi aya no maye no famo kwasi Nkor ya adwuma mo Gyimie no ya jiala wa yente mo famo shawo Nkor adwuma mo ba shawo na mo ya TikTok adwuma mo to wa mo ya fako mo kwatena adwuma mo Nkor ya TikTok dia na mo ye dia mo ni wansa mbakwa mata dia sia na mo dia so ke kwoti e wo famo Gyimie Nkor adwuma mo kwasie ni mo Gyimie a mo de ko strike a mo kwasie bi TikTok nurses
na abusia enra na finance minister no introduce new tax a menu mienu ye ba betria e say E-levy no ye afiri ho tax a aba e Dumsor tax na mpanifo kirem se e 1 Ghana cedi a uye obi a utwi ehyen anase ukura car na wakofuo station se wakoto petrol anase diesel e 60 liters na wakoto e 1000 Ghana cedi a ubetria 60 Ghana cedi akasa sika no ho na chese every liter bia obetobia no betria 1 Ghana cedi na finance minister ne kirem se sa 1 Ghana cedi a ye ba bejeje afro man kronkron ma Ghana fo ade hye kronkron nsem no e baba beboa Ghana ye nyina mu nkane atete apansa mawie ntontodiem tesamoa amoakoni adu no se sika jeje no eno ana e baba beboa ma Ghana fo eti azema anyom de omusi aton ye black and white TV akoto color TV na busia medi hu details no e de ebro aha e daily view GH so ye from Dan Kwesi Prince mesro se oba no subscribe no share na abusia no atumi akoso ayekese na before me dey assembly breakdown no details no e de ebebro no wo ye company brands individual ankrankra adwumakuo brands amopese mo ye advert e wo daily view GH platform yeso fa ye number na da o screen so no se ye abroche na wo ye mfiri a eno de o de +233 545 281 ana wo di ebefre na wo Ghana hanso a wo befa number na da o screen so 0545 281 free marketing team no ye beje pini abo nwuma ho dawuro adi nwuma ho adanse ye a kire wiase afa na nyina obi hwe ye watumi atu anamon aba waso ye na ono so aba enu aba bedidwa abusia yemna ye semre so na enra ana Ghana ye foto sanfo ye wura ato kisil forcing ekwa mrahye bedwem parliament na ochire musa sisia no aban na ni abra research ye da so e de ani e de akira say new tax a omode abano eye energy sector levy amendment bill a enra omo pass ye tax a omode aba ye friend Dumsor tax na empanifo akire musa oma transi ahwedin ehu se Ghana ye nyina mu nkane aso ahu ene kakra wo ha na light ya bona ni se pe as a disco light ni ekoye ni mu anesa enti oma hu se Dumsor yade a etete oman Ghana ha ye enti no sese no omo de energy sector levy e de aba eye 1 Ghana cedi.
Right, Honorable Speaker, Ghana's electricity sector has experienced a significant shift over the years, with the country now heavily reliant on thermal power generation to supplement the hydroelectronic sources. The cost of liquid fuel to power the thermal power plant is not included in the current electricity tariff build-up, resulting in a significant revenue shortfall for the procurement of liquid fuels. According to the PURC, an inclusion of the cost of liquid fuel in the price build-up will lead to an increase in electricity tariffs by at least 50%. Government considers that this would have a significant negative impact on firms and households, and so this cannot be an option. Mr. Speaker, in the year 2025, the government will require an additional $1.2 billion to procure essential fuels for thermal power generations alone. Mr. Speaker, the power sector risks imminent collapse if these unsustainable debts are not resolved, particularly given that the fiscal cannot accommodate the financial needs of the sector. Right, Honorable Speaker, to help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today.
Na enya no nko abiem uyo obi a utwi ehyen ukra car na ukofuwa station se okoto eye diesel na se petrol na chese uto 60 liters na 1000 Ghana cedi a udi eye 60 cedis na beka 1000 Ghana cedi na chese every liter bia ubeto bia no ubetria eye 1 Ghana cedi sania eda u screen so won pepepe na after say atoforcing kasa wie ye no afenyo market so kire mu se
what we are seeing today is that after repealing E-levy, the government is introducing another E-levy. Mr. Speaker, this government is imposing 4 cedi 50 pesos E-levy on a gallon of petrol that we buy. Mr. Speaker, my nephews do watch parliamentary proceedings. They know what E-levy was, which was repealed. When the minority leader keeps talking about E-levy and they are watching, they may get confused. To save my nephews, let the minority leader just know that there's no semblance of E-levy in this house today. Actually, I want to suggest that perhaps he's been given the wrong bill. Because there's no E-levy in this house. Energy sector levies, no, energy sector levies is not E-levy. How can you say it is E-levy? Kwame, we are all Saturday bonds, but yours is just too much. Mr. Speaker, when the Akufo-Addo government introduced the electronic transactions levy, you never referred to it as electronic transactions levy. Was there anything like E-levy in the law? Was the law setting E-levy? You see, you are now crying.
Abusiana afenyo market nsem ni bi eno no. So after some pass a amendment bill no eba abontinya Ghana ya twe ho esrani abasan Ghana fo bia san kasa. Me na make say yewura Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia economic mind E-levy mind ono so aba be kasa wo ho.
NDC for omutwa ntro bebre every day obie hu ntro a omutwa enra na jo sembo nyina mo omudi Dumsor Levy aba Dumsor Levy so first no mo say E-levy na yedi aba omobeyi E-levy no omobeyi ene omudi Dumsor Levy aba. It is 8 times the E-levy. Omo ansusu anye o. And then uto 1 liter of petrol 1 cedi no ubetua. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol ubetua 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. E-levy no usende obi 1,000 momwa ubetua 10 cedis. Omo ene ubetua 4,000 ubetua 83 cedis for fuel. We nimunyina more beba. By the time you do 2028 no Ghana nyina be hu se omutwa ntro bebre mimi gidi se omubeka nkire se yensan ba biom embefa aban no ensiesie Ghana.
Abusia Dr. Bawumia kasa ni bi eno no ene Ghana fo bebre so akasa ama eye former eye energy minister na se finance minister enso akasa biem.
Not long ago they were here celebrating abolition of taxes. They were celebrating abolition of taxes. But I'm sorry to say that all the taxes they abolished, put together, did not bring us 5 billion Ghana cedis. Put together, did not bring us 5 billion Ghana cedis. This government is seeking to raise 5.7 billion Ghana cedis from the increase in the levies for petroleum products. Mr. Speaker, I said in this house during the debate on the budget that this government, in abolishing the taxes, was giving you something in your hand with the left hand, and they were going to take it back from your hand with their right hand. And not only take it from your hand, but take what was in your pocket in addition.
And this is exactly what they are doing with the petroleum taxes that they are increasing. Because
abusia ensam ne bebre ya ko social media tentanka se ne so a ubehu Ghana fo bi kasa se na mo ani si kura de nanka edwin se taxi endua bi biem kopim ye wudam so hwan na Ghana fo kasa me ne me kasa Afia Schwar ga no so asem bi e ko ba adwibire man bia no ordinano betum wono so a kire na dwen e wo ho
so we are calculation here the not as a petrol so 10% because to 1 liter beer once a day yes so di ba umi na go potas yo ba umi na go potas yo ba umi na metas yo ba umi na me akai ye bebe ma yes ya to force. Yes, bema yes ya boade. Maso Brian derebe. Enti nyumi na me baba mo yo. Yes. Max on Mokala TV. Na mo dia ko black and white. E do da do mo. Ya ji allowance so ya ntu aba no mo strike. Monfa mokwasi ankwa adwuma ambehu ya ji allowance na so yanto mate se yeso omu de omu Gyimie Nkor strike se monfa mu Gyimie ansa ankwa adwuma monfa mokwasi ansa mu Gyimie ya ji allowance awani mu Gyimie no small down cross strike na mo kona mo cross strike no Aban mo pe na Aban no Monfa mo Gyimie ni mo ashawo na asefo jantrafo ankotena dwuma mo a mo ba hu ashawo tutufo mo Gyimie Nkor adwuma mo strike wo de nya mo na mo se ma jala 1 month Monfa mo janta mo na asefo 80% ashawo na mo to wo bo fa mo Gyimie Nkor adwuma mo strike de kwasi Aban mo pa aba mo nya adwuma mo fa mo Gyimie Nkor ya adwuma de NDC betimi aya na o maye no fa mo kwasi Nkor ya adwuma mo ka se be ka bia ma mo Gyimie no ya ji ala wa yente ya ji ala mo fa ma shawo Nkor adwuma na na se mo ba shawo na mo ya TikTok adwuma mo to wa mo ya ha fa mon kwa tsina duma mon kwa ya TikTok dia na moye dia mun wansa makwa mata dia sia na mo dia so ke kwate wo wo fa mo Gyimie Nkor duma Aban mo pe na Aban obi e di wa wo ba be ka bia ma mo kwa sie ni mu mo Gyimie mo de ko strike a mo kwa sie bi TikTok nurses mo fa mo kwa sie Nkor duma mo no obi a nka bi ma mo Appear to Ghana for so bullets raba into Usurome and to say member non farming go shop non go tade mama non farming go chile because Usurome na some de mo to one Usurome am de mo head because of a friend E-levy Dumsor Levy E-levy and I know I am for the NDC Mane Eyazu Uyabizu Some as a general 4 years the best let say I'm about Timothy I'm about cutting my heads Eyazu or the E-levy or the Abesha oh my fucking God hey many are too fucking mad and I made me cool off because to me and Tina say news now distorted and Tina can no E-levy need your my out to na na come training come chicken for yata what I say story ni no na come train say wo Gyimie no ka no forata na de ho be ba no ma che no na ka by this time ki a chicken no forata na kro ni mo ye no mo di E-levy na be shemu tru mu ni mo hu na ka no forata sem me kame ade Baby Gyimie Nkor. Honey, Mrs. Semi one welcome. And come here no ma. And come here day. So when you be a financial publicity stunt, no. And I'm one him said John Abu container so they be an statement here back 2.6 days. 2.6 days. Not just say can you for your time? Can you for your time? Tiken a man not just say I was say Abu container or movie on with in the plan. Na say John Abu container aye nanim tro kan aside be phone crew ma. No ko kan kwase asem na Nicodemously.
Ejumapa gunimde.
Abud ba umi anya ankopo onyanti amuka o. Dear 5 months penny o. I was saying my mom can say I got 2 years 7 months. I got 3 years 7 months. We should all understand. Say I got 3 years 7 months. 5 months a penny. Allah na wodi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi echina ama me kondo se me kwa fere na me no. Allahu Akbar. You've not seen anything yet. Ezu Uyamizu I got school for no. Can you cry na munya bi na mu? Almost there. On bet you first year for the school fees. The other so can you cry bi ni ho? And one day me sure sika mo sabe I'm just say
Abusia ensam no na mabɔ ne tɔ fam akuruchi amede abro ye bɛkɔ so de ye de ye Dumsor taxi wo ye de ya obetwia mo ze mo mpɛ taxi twia mbetwia eti na de ɛkɔ so ne bi no a ye bɛkɔ so de ye ne di nsɛm na chi de bɛtɔ fam bi aba ne bɛmo anya feeling so mɛsɛ so ba na wa subscribe no wa share na abusia no etumi akɔso ayekese na before meja mekra mo ame akɔ no wo ye ankra adwumakuo brands individual companies a wo hwɛ me wo pɛ sɛ wo advertise e wo daily video ye kasa fidie so ye bɔ nnwuma wo da wuroma no kɔ akyirikyiri ene benche ya fa homatrofo na da screen so no wa brutira e +233545281 wo Ghana hanso a 0545281504 na wo de be free fa ene ye marketing team ni mbɔ nkomo twetwe nkomo na je emu nkyirimu eyi FM Dan Kwesi Prince Macron.